You can see it's all crushed here. The new roof right here. There it is. It's loose.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, I'm rounding the corner.
So I have the bed from a Ford F-150 here. This is one of the newer aluminum ones. And it's destroyed. All in this area has a bunch of rips and stuff in it. And there's no way to really work that out. It has a big buckle up here. Being aluminum, it doesn't work near as well as steel. And even if it was steel, it's pretty torn up. So this is gonna get a new bedside. I have the new side right here. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get this bedside cut off. So on the inside of this old bedside, you'll see this here. This is a sound deadening pad. And what it does is it keeps the bedside from making a tinny type of noise when it's going down the road. Picture a big flat piece of sheet metal can make that tinny type of noise. And I just have generic ones. So I'm gonna stick this right here. First, I'm gonna use this heat lamp to warm it up. It makes it more pliable and sticks way better when it's warmed up. All right, well, I got this bedside all fit up. It looks good, so I'm gonna go ahead. I have to drill some holes for rivets on the front side. And then I'll take it back off, get it prepped out for the self-piercing rivets and the panel bond, and then I will put it back on permanently at that point and get it finished up. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna let the glue dry on this. I put a heat lamp on it. I'm gonna move it around a little bit every once in a while, let this dry, and I'll come back and get this cleaned up a little later. I got this one all wrapped up. I'm going to go ahead and roll it on upstairs to the paint shop so they can get this bedside and tailgate painted. I have a Toyota 4Runner here. This one had something fall on the roof. You can see it's all crushed here. This is all caved in, all back in that area. So it's pretty well destroyed. It also destroyed the frame of the sunroof, which is up underneath here. So this one's going to get a new roof. I have the new roof right here and the new sunroof framing. So I am going to go ahead. I went ahead and I covered all of the inside. I put down welding blankets, covered everything first with welding blankets, and I put a tarp down to catch all the grinding dust and all that crap. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this roof off. There it is, it's loose. So I'm gonna grab another guy to help me lift this roof off, get it out of the way. Now I'm gonna start getting the new roof all ready. First thing is I have the sunroof frame. This I have to weld inside of here before I put the roof on. It gets spot welded on 3 sides, and then this back lip, this gets folded over around it, across there. So I'm gonna get this prepped out for the welds, and then I will get this welded in.